Hi viewers, this is Balachandru, Arithmetic and Reasoning faculty. Today we are discussing about 15 questions of ranking and arrangement. Okay. Now in that 15 questions, we are discussing one by one. Now the first question. What is the 20th letter of the English alphabet? Okay. 20th letter we needed in English alphabet. Okay, first we have to know the difference of alphabet and alphabetical. Okay, alphabetical means A to Z only. A to Z only. Alphabet means A to Z, Z to A. We have to consider this one. Now he is asking 20th letter. Whenever you are saying from A to Z, what is the 20th letter? That is T. Okay. Now, whenever you are saying for Z to A, what is the 20th letter? That is Z. Now, look at the question. What is the is? Is asking for is. Is means it is used for singular. Singular means we are needed only one is the answer. Whether it is a T or it is a T or it is a G. Okay, which or whenever they are giving a or, that is time we are taking T and Z. Okay, why? Because this is alphabet. Whenever it is a alphabetical, only we have to tick for T only. Alphabetical. It is alphabet. That's why we are moving for T and G. Okay, actually it is T and G, but in the question it is given is. Is means we are taking only singular. Singular means T or G. Okay, right? Now, second question. In a row of trees, a tree is seventh from the left. A tree is seventh from the left and 7th from the left and 14th from the right. Now it is same tree, 14th from the right. How many trees are there in the row? Okay, for this type of questions we are finding a number of trees. For number of means always we are taking that it is minus 1. What is the numbers here? 7 plus 14 minus 1. 7 plus 14, 21. 21 minus 1, can you get the answer of 20. Whenever it is finding a position or a rank, that time we are taking plus 1. But whenever you are finding a number of persons between and the number of total number of students or total number of these articles like this, we are taking minus 1. 7 plus 14, 21. 21 minus 1, that is 20 is our required answer. Okay, right? Next, third question. Okay. If we are 11th in a queue starting at either ends. Okay, 11th. From here starting from here. Both are 11 and 11. Same. Finding of total number of students we require. That is here it is from here 11. From here 11. We are adding 2 positions. For finding of number of students, we are taking minus 1. 11 plus 11, 22. 22 minus 1, can get a answer of 20. Okay, right? Sorry, 22 minus 1, you can get a answer of 21. Correct? Next question. Okay. In a row of girls, Kamal is 9th from the left. 9th from left. And Veena is 16th from right. Now, Veena is 16th from right. Okay. If they are interchange their position. Interchange means this person comes here, this person comes here. Okay. Now, here it is K. Here it is V. Interchange of their position. Kamala becomes 25th from the left. Now it is 25th from the left. Now the place is same here. but the persons are interchanged. The place is same. Now this place is from here 16th, from here 25. Now okay, now he is asking that how many girls are there in this row. Okay, for finding a total number of children also, here it is 16 position, here it is 25 position. Finding a number of, that's why we are taking minus 1. 16 plus, okay, 25 minus 1, 24. 16 plus 24, that is 40. Okay, number of girls present in this queue is 40 girls. Okay, right? Next, fifth question. In a row of 16 boys. Now, total number of boys here is 16. In a boy 16, when Prakash was shifted by 2 places towards his left. Okay, first of all I am taking Prakash here, he is facing this side. Okay, now shifted 2 places, 1 place and this is the second place. Now Prakash is there here. Now Prakash is there here, 2 places toward the left. He became 7th from the left. He became 7th from the left. Okay, now he is 7th. What about this place? This is 8th. What about earlier? 9th. Now Prakash is in the earlier 9th from the left. Okay, right. Now what was his earlier position from the right end of a row? Now it is earlier. Now he is asking from right side. Now he is asking from right side. Whenever he is asking position from a one end, we require 2 values. What are those? Total strength and position of that person from a one end. Okay. Now total number of boys is here 16. From the other end it is 9. Now we are finding a position. Now position or rank we are taking plus 1. Now 16 minus 8. Now our required answer is 8. Okay. 16 minus 9, okay, this one is 7, 7 plus 1, 8, or else minus 9 plus 1, minus 8, 16 minus 8, 8. We required 8. Okay, what is the 8 means? Now that boy from the right side, the places occupies 8th place earlier. Okay, whenever he is asking after the shifting, it is 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, right. Next, sixth question. In a row of boys, if A was 10th from the left, A was 10th from the left, and B who is 9th from the right, B who is 9th from the right, okay, interchange their position, that means B comes here, A goes here. Okay, A becomes 15th from the left. Now A is here, it is 15th from the left. Now he is asking how many boys are there in this row. Okay, for finding of number of persons or number of articles like that, we needed a 2 different persons from same place from different position. Now it is same place, from it is from the right, from it is 9. 15 plus 9. For finding of number of persons, we are taking minus 1. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 minus 1, that is 23. 23 persons are there in this line. Okay. Next, 7th question. In a queue, Amrita is 10th from the front. Amrita is 10th from the front. Okay, while Mukul is 25th from the behind. Okay, Mukul is 25th from the behind. Okay, right? And Mamata is just in the middle of 2. Mamata is just in the middle of 2. Middle means exactly middle. Okay, if there are 50 persons in this queue, okay, total having 50 members in this queue. What is the position does Mamata occupy from the front? Okay, now is asking from the front, what is the position of Mamata? We have to find position of Mamata from the front. Okay, for finding, now here it is exactly middle of A and M. First we have to find a middle person of A and M. What is that position? we can get a answer. For finding of a middle person, we required from the same. Here it is 25 is from here. Now here 10 is from here. That's why we are taking total 50 members. We are also finding the person, this person's position from the top also. Okay, from the top we are also finding this position. Totally we have a 50 members. Now minus 25 from the opposite, we are finding a position. That's why we are taking 1. 25 minus 50 minus 25, 25, 25 plus 1, that is 26th position. Now 26th position. Here it is from the 10, here it is 26. That's why we are finding 10 plus 26 by, that is 36 by 2. What is the position? That is 18th position. Now 18th position is occupied by Mamata. Okay, right? Right, next question, that is 8th one. 3 persons A, B, C are standing in a queue. Okay, 3 persons are standing in a queue. There are 5 persons between A and B. Now they give 5 persons between A and B. Okay, and 8 persons between B and C. 8 persons between B and C. Okay, full stop. If there be 3 persons ahead of C, 3 persons ahead of C and 21 persons behind A. Here it is 21 persons behind A. What could be the minimum number of persons in the queue? He is asking for minimum number. Minimum number means less number. Okay. Whenever he is asking like that, minimum or maximum, getting a compulsory 2 answers. Okay, now we are taking A here. Here it is 21 members first and then A. From A to B we needed 5 numbers. We can get a B here. Okay. Now B to C we needed 8 members between, we got a C. After C we have a 3 members. Now we will check how many members are in this row. Now here it is 21, in the middle 5, 8, after C 3 persons, A, B, C 3 persons. Okay, we have to count this one. Okay, 21 plus 5, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus 8, that is 34, 34 plus 6, now we needed 40 is our required answer. Okay, is there any other? We will check once. First, compulsory 21 members here. Okay, right? Okay. We needed 21 members left of A. Now, we needed 3 members after this one. Okay. Yeah, I am taking C compulsory here. But look at this. Between A and B, how many members? 5 members. I am taking B here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, between B and C, how many members needed? 8 members. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also one of the possibility now. Okay. Look at it. What is the difference of these and this? Difference of these and this. Here it is B is after A. Here B is before A. Whenever we are taking before, it is come somewhat less. Okay. How many less? Now we have to see. Here, up to here, before A, 21 members. Okay. Now A, C are 2 members are there. Plus, between these two, 2 members. After C, 3 members. Okay, right? Total members. Now, 21. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 21 plus 7, that is 28. Why? Because why we are taking 21 here? Before that of A having 21 members. Okay, after, between A, C, 2 members. After A and C are 2 persons. After C, 3 persons. Total 28. This is also correct process. This is also correct process. But in the, what is the question now? Minimum number. Asking for minimum is 28. Whenever he is asking a question, maximum 40. Okay, right? Next, 9th question. In a row, Kumar is at the 7th place from the left. Okay, Kumar is 7th place from the left, and Pawan is 9th place from the right. Pawan is 9th place from the right. When they are interchange their position, okay, interchange their position. Now here it is P, here it is K position. Kumar becomes 11th from the left. It is 11th from the left. Now he is asking that how many were seated in the row. Okay, for asking row, this is the same place for finding of row. 9 plus 11 minus 1, 20 minus 1, getting 19 is our required answer. Okay, right? Next question, that is 10th one. Rajan is 6th from the left. Rajan is 6th from the left, and Vinay is 10th from the right. Vinay is 10th from the right. End of a boys. If there are 8 boys between Rajan and Vinay, between these two 8 boys are there. If there are 8 boys between Rajan and Vinay, how many boys are there in the row? Okay, look at that. For this type of questions, already I am explaining that sometimes getting a 2 answers, sometimes getting a no answer, sometimes getting a only 1 answer. How can we find that one? Means in between numbers is how much? 8. 8 is less than that of one of the position 10, but 8 is greater than that of one of the position 6. Whenever it is getting more than and equal, there is no answer. Whenever it is getting a less than, answer. That's why only single one answer is there. Okay, now we have to find. Okay, what is the question now? Finally, how many boys are there in there? Whenever like this question are there, up to here 6 persons, after 8 persons, up to here 10 persons total. 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 10 24. We got it. 24 is the answer. Okay, another method is not possible. Why? Because we have a only single answer here. Okay, right? Next, 11th question. Some boys are sitting in a row. Okay, P is sitting 14th from the left. P is sitting 14th from the left, and Q is 7th from the right. Q is 7th from the right. If there are 4 boys between P and Q, 4 boys between P and Q, how many boys are there in the row? Okay, look at that. Now he is asking for a number of boys. Now 4 is less than that of 14, 4 is less than that of 7. That's why we can get a 2 types of answers. Okay, we can get a 2 types of answers. But in the option 26, 24, 25, 22 is there. Only 4 options. There is no cannot be determined. There is no 12 or 13 like that. Okay, that's why compulsory we are go for a 1 method. Which is method we don't know. Compulsory we have to find. Okay, getting a 2 answers, but we are finding 2 answers. How they came? Here P up to here 14, after 4, after 7. 14 plus 4 18. 18 plus 7 25. Now 25 is there in the options or not? Okay, 25 is there. This is our required answer. How it is getting another answer? Okay, fine, that one also. Now here it is P. P, how many members? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, I will explain neat way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now 14th person, who is that person? Occupied by P. Now how many persons are between P and Q? 4 persons. 1 2 3 4 persons between. Now I am taking this one as a Q. What is the position of Q? 7th from the right. Now I am taking 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am taking one of the person here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh place is Q. What about P place? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. From the left, P is 14. From the right, Q is 7th. Now 4 persons are between. Now how many numbers are there here? From here to here 13. Now the last person is 15. What is our answer? 15 is our required answer. Okay. Now 25 and 15 both are there, but we needed in the options only 25 is there. That's why we are moving for a 25. Okay, right? Next, 12th question. Now, in a class of 180 students, okay, totally 180 students, where girls are twice the number of boys, okay. Now, girls and boys. Girls are twice. Whenever it is x, it is 2x. Okay, what about 2 plus x? 3x. Now, total is 3x, total is 180. Okay, now x value is 60. Number of boys is 60. Number of girls is 120. After that, okay, Rupesh is a boy ranked 34. Rupesh got 34th rank. He got a 34th rank means above the Rupesh having 33 members. Okay, right? 33 members. If or 18 girls are head of Rupesh. In these 33, 18 are girls. Okay, these are girls. Total students minus girls. You get a 15 that are boys. Okay. Here up to Rupesh, above Rupesh, 15 boys are there. Up to Rupesh, 16 boys are over. 16 boys are over. Now he is asking after Rupesh, how many boys are there? Okay. Total number of boys is 60. Up to Rupesh 16 are over. Now remaining boys are 44. Okay, right? Next, 13th question. In a class of 50 students, M is 8th from the top. M is 8th from the top. H is 20th from the bottom. H is 20th from the bottom. How many students are there between M and H? How many students are there between M and H? Okay, for finding of number of persons between, we have to find this different persons from a same. From here it is 8, from here it is, okay, first, how many persons are total? 50 members are there. 50 members are in 15 members. What is the position of H from the top? 50 minus 2 for finding out position. We are taking this one. 50 minus 20, 30. 30 plus 1, that is 31. From the top it is 31. From the top it is 8. Now how many persons are between? Now here it is 31. Here it is 8. Now we are finding number of persons between. Persons means taking minus 1. Okay, 31 minus 1, 30. 30 minus 8 is 22. 22 is our required answer. Okay, 22 members are between M and H. Okay, right? Next, 14th question. If it is possible to form a number which is perfect square of a 2-digit odd number using the second, fourth, seventh digit of a number. Okay, first we are writing number 739 142 658. Okay, this is the number. Is asking using a second, fourth, seventh. Second, fourth, and then seventh. By using of these three digits, we have to write a one perfect square. We need a one perfect square, that is with the help of 316, 361. Okay, that is 361. It is a perfect square of 19 square. But he is asking for perfect square of 2-digit odd number. Okay, 2-digit odd number. Okay, now he is asking what it is only once. Which of the following is the second digit of a two-digit odd number? Second digit. Okay, first digit is 1, second digit is 9. 9 is our required answer. Okay, right? In this option 4, 7, 3. Okay, none is there. That's why none is our required answer. Our answer is 9. But 9 is not there in the option. That's why none is our required answer. Okay, right? Next, 15th question. What is the 13th letter of English alphabet? Same. 13th letter is asking. In, what is that? Alphabetical or alphabet? Alphabet. Already I told that alphabet means two orders, A to Z and Z to A. Whenever you are counting from A to Z, you got a 13th letter has M. Whenever you are counting from Z to A, you got a as N. But the question is, which is? Is means we needed only one. That is either M or N. It is our required answer. Okay. These are all the 15 questions of ranking questions. Okay. After this one, again 15 questions of there is a examination. Okay, right? These are the first 15 questions. Thank you.